Ublalotak, Kanwik Pizzy. Today is Monday all day. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best. Cooperate with others. Let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Can anyone remember what Ginger talked about on last Thursday's assembly? That's it. She talked about mirror neurons. During her assembly, she mentioned that they're a part of our brain that helps mirror back emotions and feelings to one another. That this helps us feel empathy and connect to each other. So, when you walked into school today and you saw someone smile at you, did you smile back and feel cheerful? If you did, that would be your mirror neurons in action. So just like Thursday, let's try flexing our mirror neurons today with each other. First, I'm going to ask you, find someone close by. We're going to try this a couple different ways and see if it has a couple different impacts. Now, with a completely straight face, no smiles, no frowns, say to your partner, "Good morning." Now, when you heard that good morning, did it make you feel cheerful? Hold on. We'll compare it to the other way we're going to try. Now, again, with your partner, but this time with a smile, say, "Good morning." And now, how did that make you feel? Did that create a sense of cheerfulness? If it did, that was your mirror neurons activating. So, the little ways we interact with one another can create much larger impacts than we could possibly imagine. Today is January 9th, which means we are 1 month into basketball for high schoolers. And this means games are starting and eligibility matters a lot in order to play games either at home or away. As we learned in late November, early December, there are 3 types of eligibility that you need: state, district, and local. A quick reminder about state and district eligibility requirements. Remember, you need to have 10 days of practice. You must have a physical, and physicals are good for 18 months. You needed to have had an 80% attendance, no Fs, and a 2.0 GPA at the time of an eligibility check. Remember, the last eligibility check would have been on December 16th at the end of the second quarter. Now, eligibility lists can be found by the front office and in the high school hallway where they are posted. If you have any questions about your eligibility, you can ask David. That would be me. Remember, part of site eligibility is to fill out a weekly eligibility slip that has your name, the date, which would be that Friday, whichever date would be on that Friday, and the date of travel, which would be for the following Friday. You'll have each of your teachers from each of your classes fill out if you're eligible or ineligible, and if you're missing an assignment, your teachers can put that down in the box in the bottom. Please turn these in by the end of every Friday. If I do not receive one of these, then I assume you're ineligible and you will not be able to participate in either a home or away game on that next Friday. With all of that said, I wish everyone a very Merry Monday.